If you don't know how to layer your skincare and your perfumes, your scents, so that you can make them last all day, then this is your video. What's up, you guys? This is your wing lady, and I'm back today with another beautiful video. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing great. So today we are going to dive into the art of layering skincare and perfumes, of layering scents basically, because this year I want your perfumes to last you all day. Even if the perfume is not a strong scent, even if it is not a beast mode scent, it still has to be able to last well enough such that you don't have to be touching up every 2 hours. Okay, so I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that. Now today I came with bare skin. Okay, I've not applied any lotion, I have not applied any oil, my skin is bare, so I wanted to teach you. I just took my bath, but I'm not dripping wet, of course, anymore. If you're gonna do yours, you need to be dripping wet for this first step. So as soon as you're finished bathing out of the shower, you're fresh, you're clean, you're smelling natural, like soap, you're smelling like soap. Actually, the whole thing starts from the bathroom. It depends on the kind of body wash or body soap that you use, but after you finish bathing and your skin is cleansed, because you want to do this on a clean skin, and your skin is cleansed and the scent of your body wash is still lingering in the atmosphere, then you start this whole process. Obviously I can't take you to the bathroom with me, so just get a good body wash or a good body soap. I use black soap. Get whatever you like that makes your skin smell nice and that cleanses your skin. Don't choose smelling nice over cleansing. You have to be clean. Okay, so if you're doing this, you have to be freshly out of the shower. Your skin should still be soaking, dripping wet with water. So you go in with the first, what is the first thing? Body lotion. Now I have 2 body lotions and 1 cream, depending on how I'm feeling. I have a Nivea Perfect and Radiant, okay, this one, and I have Age Balance Lotion, this one. Then I have Cetaphil. On days when I feel like I need something a bit thicker, I use Cetaphil. But Cetaphil has no scent. It is totally scentless. It has no perfume, it has no smell, so it's not going to be in this video because it's doing nothing for the scent. However, I know that there are other body lotions that have loads of smell. They scent a lot better than these 2. So if you want your scent, if you want to build up your scent, you have to find a body lotion that also smells great. But for the purpose of this video, we are using these 2 because this is scented and this is scented too, and they smell nice. They both smell nice. Now let's say my skin is still wet. You know, I told you I'm no longer soaking wet, but I don't have any body lotion on my skin. You can see I'm very dry. My skin is super dry, so I need lots and lots of lotions. So what you do is you take your body lotion when your skin is still sopping wet. Okay, it smells nice. It smells great, guy. I like the scent. It's a light floral scent. It's a bit soapy, a bit fresh, you know, kind of clean lotion kind of smell. I like the scent. So you see, I have lotion on now. You can clearly see a difference. This body lotion is actually very moisturizing. So this is what you do when there's still water on your skin. You know what water on your skin does? Water helps you to suck in the lotion. Okay, so water will mix with the lotion that you're applying on your skin and draw it deeper into your dermis. I'm going to add a bit more lotion because since my skin is dry, I use more than the average amount of lotion. I like my skin to be glistening, you know, glistening, because there's lotion on it, and also because my skin is super dry and we're into dry season right now. Everything is just dry. So you do this, you make sure that the lotion is enough. You can see, good. That is the first step, a scented body lotion. Now after body lotion, you go in with your body oil. I have 2 body oils depending on what time of day it is and depending on what I need. This is jojoba oil. Okay, this is very good for your skin. It's smoothing out your skin so well, and it helps you to remove makeup very fast. Makeup, sunscreen. Jojoba oil is very good to remove sunscreen, to remove makeup. It really melts all those impurities away. So I use this. I also use this is Beauty Series body oil. Okay, so depending on what I want, depending on what kind of day it is, sometimes it's this kind of day and other times it's jojoba kind of day. For this video, I'm just going to use this one. Okay, it's not greasy, and it doesn't give that residue. It doesn't leave residue on your skin. You see, it absorbs very fast. Okay, it absorbs very fast. Now you can use a scented body oil. I've heard that Vaseline body oil gel is actually very nice, so you can get that because it has scents as well, so you can use that. However, Beauty Series smells nice too, so I like it. Plus it makes my skin super smooth. It evens out my skin tone. And on some days when I want to be extra, I also add jojoba oil. But what do you want me to do? My skin is dry. I need all of this for intense moisturization that will last me all day. So this is jojoba oil, and then I add it. So you can see that there's a huge difference. You can see how moisturized I look now. You see this? This is how you want to look before starting with your scents. Bear in mind that I said that if you want to start smelling good from now, your body wash or your body soap has to be scented as well. Then your body lotion has to be scented as well. Then your body oil has to be scented as well. So far so good. You're already smelling really great without even applying body sprays or perfumes. Okay, but for me, when it comes to skincare, I choose moisturization and effectiveness over scents because I have so much perfumes anyway. I don't need to pick scents in a body lotion. I need to pick moisturization because that's what I actually need because my skin is dry and I have enough perfumes. You can see I am moisturized. Then I go in with my body mist. If you have a body spray, now is still the time. If you have a body mist, now is still the time. You take your body mist. This is Pandora scent Sweet Berries. This is Sweet Berries by Pandora. I love this one. You can see, look at the dent. I love this particular one. Then you go over your entire body. Okay, you go over your entire body. You just spray. You just go over everything. You go over your entire body and you spray this on your moisturized skin, like so. Body mist. It is a mist. It is like water. It doesn't last so long, but it stays on you, and this one smells so great. You just go over your skin like that. Do you understand? I don't really subscribe to mixing perfumes and body scents with skincare. I need your skincare to enter into your skin and do their job before you start layering perfumes, because when you're adding perfumes, it's like you're adding perfumes to your skincare. You don't want that. You want your skin to be already moisturized. Your skincare routine should be done before you start applying your perfumes. Okay, so now I've applied body mist. Okay, my skin is looking good. We are moisturized. Then what next is you start layering your scents based on how you want to smell for today. Today I picked something very soft, feminine. I picked vanilla. Okay, so we are going to layer vanilla scents. Now we all know that vanilla scents are light and they don't last all day. They don't last too long, but with these they are going to last. Of vanilla, I picked 3 perfumes. This is Shamokhi by Fragrance World. We know this is a smoky rich vanilla scent. This is Vanille Bouquet by Fragrance World. This is a light floral vanilla scent. And then this is Bint Hooran by Zaafaran, right? And this is a creamy vanilla scent. Lastly, we have perfume oil. This is a pink sugar perfume oil. So we are going to layer all of this, and I'm going to teach you how to layer it. Don't worry, I'm going to teach you how to layer everything. Now when you're layering scents, you want to go for the foundation. That is the one that smells thick. The strongest one is the one you spray first. Okay, then you start layering with the softer ones. This is the strongest one out of the 3. Okay, so this is Shamokhi. You spray on your skin, you spray on your clothes. Now on my skin, now when it comes to spraying perfumes, here we don't count sprays. Okay, we don't say layer 1-2 scents, spray. No, spray as much as you can or as much as you want till your ancestors tell you to stop. Okay, so the base, we've gotten the background scent out of the way. You have the base and it is drying out fast. Also, if you're spraying, we are talking about skin today, you should also spray on your clothes. You should spray this all over you, all over your clothes. Okay, but for skin, because we are talking about skin. Now the next one, we go in with the stronger one. which is Bint Hooran. We've dealt with the heaviest one. Now we are going to the heavier one before we go to the lightest one. Okay, so you take your Bint Hooran. You don't necessarily have to spray on the same spot you sprayed the first one. So take another spot. Do you see this? Okay, now that's a different spot, and I've sprayed both on my skin, and it's not irritating me because my skin is already moisturized. This is not going directly into my dermis because there's a layer already covering my skin. It's already moisturized. Okay, now you go to the last scent. The last scent is the lightest one of the bunch. The lightest of your perfumes is the one you use last. This is Vanille Bouquet. It's a vanilla theme. So of course you spray all over your clothes. As you're spraying, you keep spraying all over your clothes, all over your clothes. Then you go to the last one. And you see that all of these scents actually complement each other. Ooh. Now I'm just smelling like a vanilla goddess right now. So this is how you layer. Then the last one, which is the perfume oil, you put that on your skin, mostly in your pulse points, like the back of your neck here, 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 the back of your knees, where you feel blood pumping, push, push, push. There's usually more heat there, so it helps in making that perfume smell nice. Wherever there's heat or temperature, the beauty of the perfume comes out a lot more. So you want to target those areas when you're applying oils. So for here, we spray it here. This is a pulse point here. You see that? Now you don't rub. Please don't rub your wrist together. Why? You're going to break down the chemical composition of that perfume, because you rubbing, you're creating friction and you're creating temperature and you're breaking down that perfume. You don't want to do that. Don't rub. Just apply it on your pulse points and just leave it to do the work. Now, you don't need to rub perfume oils in because they're not doing any good for your skin. It's not skincare that you have to rub in. No, you want your perfume oils to sit on top of your skin. Okay, you want them to sit on top of your skin so that they can smell out. You don't want them to blend inside your skin. It's not body oil. It's only body oil that you want to blend inside your skin. As for perfume oils, you just leave them to do their job. Okay, you just allow your natural body heat to work its magic. You see that, guys? I'm moisturized, I am scented, I have layered my skincare perfectly, I have layered my scent perfectly. Now if I walk out the door now, I am going to be smelling heavily of vanilla and florals and a bit of fruits, because this is fruity. This is how to make your perfumes last all day long. I promise you, if you layer them like this, you are going to be smelling nice all day. And you know, just for the purpose of this video, I used only my hands. You should do this all over your body, not just your hands, all over your body. I can only show you my hands, right? But do this all over your body and tell me how the day went. Definitely this is going to last so much longer than any of your other, you know, usual perfume rituals. And I'm telling you, you need to try this and let me know how your day went. So look, I'm glistening. This is how to go about it. This is how you have soft, clean, moisturized skin, and you smell so good all day from morning till night. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Yay! Thank you so much. Then subscribe to my channel for more of me, and until next time, you guys, I love you so much. Ciao.